Hello and welcome to the Java Network Programming course. My name is Cătălin and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. We're going to cover network programming using one of the most used programming language, Java, and I'm going to show you how to create network programs all from scratch. But first of all, why network programming? Nowadays, there are plenty of different devices that can be connected to a network. Computers, laptops, smartphones, printers, or even a TV. These devices have software written to connect to a local network or to the internet. They have applications installed to browse internet, send emails, chat with your friends, or send files. The main purpose of these applications is to transfer data between interconnected computers. Of course, there are some other applications, like an antivirus, whose main purpose is to protect your computer, but it has some level of networking built in. An antivirus application connects automatically to a special website, determines if your files need updating, downloads the proper files, and installs them in the proper location. Another example could be a multiplayer game, which transfers data from the player computer to the game's data server and back. As you can see, more programs are network aware, and networking can add a lot of power to simple programs. So, writing software that is capable to transfer data between interconnected devices becomes one of the most important programming skills today that you must have, and this course will definitely make you a better programmer. Java is one of the first programming languages which allows you to write network programs. Java's network class library allows you to write network applications really easy, as you'll see in the next lessons. Java shines in the network communication level because Java is one of the only languages designed with network communication from the ground up. Java's network EAP simplifies things, and with just a few lines of code, you can create a powerful network application. So here's the course roadmap. The first thing we are going to do is to discuss about the concept of network communication from the very basic fundamental level that needs to be understood by everybody. Two chapters are included for those programmers who haven't worked yet with Java Threads or Java I/O. These two are very important topics in network programming, and I want to ensure that all students have the basics before we start to code network programs. Next, in the socket chapter, we are going to code together a TCP client and a TCP server, a multi-threaded TCP server, a port scanner, how to ping a remote host address using Java code, how to get information about your network interfaces using Java code, validate IP addresses in different ways, browse internet, and web scraping, or how to get what data you want from a web page. In the next chapter, we are going to find out what is the difference between TCP and UDP, the most used transport layer protocols. Again, we will code together a UDP client and a UDP server, and we will see how a UDP server reacts when multiple clients try to communicate with it. In the next 3 chapters, we will learn how to create a file transfer application, how to send an email using SMTP protocol, or how to write a simple web server in Java. For each application, I've included all the theory you need to understand how the application works. The application source code is explained in details, line by line, and in the end, we're going to test the application and observe the code behavior. The course is filled with examples that illustrate the main presented concept or topic. Almost every lesson has a Java file attached, which can be downloaded and can be edited by the students. So, let's get started.